told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Hello everyone. So it's day 4 in Kashmir. So we are in Pahalgam and we are going to Gulmarg today. So we're starting at 8:30, which is around half an hour from now. And difference in Pahalgam now and the last 2 days is that the sky is very clear. There's no mist and everything. You can never find this clarity. Like I never found this clarity yesterday or day before yesterday. It's very clear. Uh, there's no dark clouds. It's very open and everything. So, and last night I guess there was literally very less snowfall. See, it's barely a centimeter snow which fell last night. We started our journey from Pahalgam to Gulmarg, and what you're seeing now is actually a runway. It's a highway, but it's also built for dual purposes by the Indian military so that they can land their aircrafts. Now the beauty of Kashmir is that look at the view here. It's normal, right? It's pretty normal. Within a few hours, the view completely changed to this. So that's the beauty of Kashmir. How everything changes. What you see here is we are in the foothills of Gulmarg. So we had to stop here because you cannot climb Gulmarg with this vehicle. So it needs special tires. What they actually do is that they chain the wheel. What you're seeing is that a guy is putting a chain on the rear wheel. This is for better grip. And not only that, here one has to rent boots and coats and everything, like what all you require. So everyone stops here, do their shopping, snow boots, jackets and everything, and we started our upward journey. And the view, guys, is very We are in Gulmarg now. The first spot is the frozen waterfall, and here it is. Like, huh? So this video was shot at the end of January, but if you go to this place during proper winter, that is first week of Jan or last week of December, it will be completely frozen. Hello. Resident of Gulmarg.
मैम यहाँ इस साइड में मैम करिए स्लाइड
नीचे साइड वीडियो पकड़ते हैं इनका साइड का
मैम
Frozen waterfall was just midway. We now started with a real climb to Gulmarg, and believe me guys, the road was one of the most dangerous. One wrong move and we fall off the valley. It's very dangerous, and it is even more dangerous than our regular hill station climb because the road is frozen. It's like you're driving your car on hard ice. Yes, you will have your chains, but that is not enough. You never know when the car will skid and fall off the valley. It was very dangerous, and we held our breaths, and finally somehow we reached the top of Gulmarg. Guys, hello. So this is day 4 of our Kashmir trip, and we are in Gulmarg. So this is the hotel which we stayed, Hotel Zakir. It's overlooking. It has an excellent view of the meadow below. So from our first floor we could see most of the ski thing and everything. Krishna?
Yep.
See, this is another resort. Wow, that looks really good. The lightning and everything. The problem with the snow put is that it slips like anything. So when we entered the hotel, when I stepped on the tiles, like I slipped nearly 3 to 4 times. And the older people who came with us, they had to be escorted to their rooms because that's how slippery our boots are. So it's around 4-5. How was the time? 5:30 now, and it's really dark here. So tomorrow is when we are gonna do the gondola ride, the skiing, ATV and everything. So today all we are gonna do is that we are gonna just go for a walk near Gulmarg. And this is another hotel, and you can see that water has frozen. Oh my god, it's frozen and it looks so sharp. And it looks a little dangerous. Imagine just that falling on your head. It looks pretty sharp and dangerous. Okay, that's about that.
इधर इस गाड़ी बीच में जाना करो यार.
What you're seeing in your right, guys, is the Gulmarg golf course. So it's fully covered with snow. There's no use now, but the view was too good. And the other thing is that everywhere we saw these ATVs, the all-terrain vehicles, and people were not only riding it. I've seen people fall off it. I think it's 1K or it's 2,000 to ride it for 15 to 20 minutes. So I would like you guys to try that also.
क्लास में इसका नाम क्या देखना है इसे भी गुलमर्ग देखो ये सामने का डेटिंग लोकेट ना कम्बोल संगा यार नी व्यू कैसे ज्यादा रंगा क्या है
हां ज्यादा रंगा इन द व्यू ये फास्ट है ये 5 स्टार कितना 5 स्टार
ये देख
ये नॉर्मल है
Hey, और rooms फकत
सुबह भी जा
स्लेज डॉग्स किसे फील आता है
हां स्लेज डॉग wolf don't dog cross मरे